Just so I can let it go.
Yep.
Do you know which box the towels are in?
Toasting my rice. You want to cook your rice until it get brown. This is the chicken. She's marinating. We got the tomato puree for the Spanish rice.
I'm sorry, sis.
Let's get them brown. See how it's kind of brown, toasted.
Let me help you.
No, I don't need your assistance. Okay.
Beautiful.
This is your favorite spot. Mine too. Here.
Beautiful cilantro.
Yeah. Doesn't stop the illegal bros from doing
Noah left.
Cross them.
My fair share of what dangerous can do.
Yeah, huh? Sounds like an intense job.
Yeah, you could say that.
People
Cilantro. And
depend on me.
Cheese and cilantro on onions. My kids want some, and my husband wants the vegetables and the rice. Not too many. The chicken. We finna make this chicken for you to mix. Season. Smells good as soon as. Looking so far. This is the chicken. I'm gonna make quesadillas out of them. The shells.
Do you know how much I love you? And you too. You're not going to join me.
No, they're both for you.
Yeah.
You're a good woman.
I don't think my sister would agree with you. Yeah, thanks.
Large latte, Mark? Yes, please.
Hey.
This is. To the inside.
Thanks. Give me.
No.
And this
I don't know what I'm
is.
more surprised at, that you built a batting cage for yourself with a...
She rated.
That's a 10 on my shorty. Like, I'm
Okay.
a little jalapenos too.
There y'all go.
No, that shit good.